Hey y'all, what's up? It's December here, back with another video. If you are new to my channel, my name is December Smith. I am a fashion illustrator and designer, and here I just teach and show about fashion illustration, design, and I'm going to be dipping into some more fashion topics here and there. So if you are interested, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below for more, as well as check out my portfolio on my website in the description box below. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review. I just picked up poses for fashion illustration. This is from Fashionary.org. If you guys don't know about Fashionary, please go check them out. They are great for people that love fashion illustration, design, business, or just learning about fashion in general. They have great products. It's probably like my third or fourth purchase from them, and I would definitely recommend them to anybody that's a beginner or professional. They probably have something that you're looking for, so go check them out. This is one of their newest products. And when it first came out, I kind of didn't want to pick it up because I was just like, I don't really need that. I get templates from Pinterest, Google, that type of thing. But as I saw other people start to use it, then I kind of figured out, okay, maybe I can use this. Maybe it will be helpful to me, being that I like to sketch digitally. So once I figured that out, I was like, okay, maybe I'll just try it out and see what it's about. Because I'm going to be honest with y'all. I am not the best at drawing fashion figures or croquis. I am the type of person that's better at drawing the clothes on the body rather than the body itself. And sometimes it's hard to illustrate a specific pose that you want to help, bring your outfit and your vision to life. The pose is what gives it the attitude, the drama, the mood that sets everything. So hopefully this will definitely be helpful. This is the women's edition. So it comes with 100 poses. I believe it's categorized in different moods. So yeah, here on the back of the box, it has basic, casual, freedom, glamour, confidence, athletic, dramatic, lounging, maternity, plus size, portrait, and technical. So a great variation. Even technical, which is really good. If you guys know about anything about product development in the fashion industry, tech packs are, for me, one of the toughest things to create. But technical flats, yeah, we definitely need some info for that. And it also says these cards are double-sided, and oh, there's an illustration guide as well. So I haven't even opened it yet. The only thing I've done is just taken the plastic off. So I'm excited. So let's see. Okay, I like the packaging. It opens really easily like that. Oh, it's a lot in here. So it is 100. Okay. So they have it in tabs so I can kind of see where the moods and everything comes from. Let me kind of straighten it out a little bit. Okay, cool. So yeah, I definitely see how it's categorized, where you can just go ahead and pick business, casual, freedom. And I think back here it says there's about, okay, it's between 4 to almost 20 poses for each tab. So basic has 10 poses, casual has 19, technical has 11, maternity has 4. So it just varies. And here is the user guide in the front. So let's check this out because I want to see. Oh, it's pretty thick. I thought it was going to be like a little brochure pamphlet. Okay. Instructions. Oh, this is cute. Fashionary products always come with, always come with some kind of little like bookmarker. Fashionary.org if you want to check them out. It's not sponsored. Okay. So, okay. Oh, Lord. There's all kinds of stuff popping out. Okay. Okay, let's see what this is about. Okay, cool. So it basically tells you how to use it. It gives you instructions, some examples. Okay, it's always helpful. Now, I'm pretty sure that these are not meant to draw on directly. This is probably just used to trace, just so you can, get practice with drawing croquis and also just being able to sketch your designs quickly, because that's something that I kind of struggle with a little bit. Yeah, they have tons of demonstrations in here. I like this. I like how informational this is. Like I said, Fashionary products give you a ton of information on how to do a lot. Okay. Oh wow, and it even gives you a table of contents of the different poses that they have. Cool. Okay. So that way you can kind of, I guess you can kind of, instead of having to go through all of them like by hand, which would probably take some time, you can just look through the table of contents for the pose that you're looking for. Cool. Okay, so let's see what they actually look like. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. So for basic, the info card at the top says 10 basic standing figures and runway poses with different dimensions, aiming to help present your designs clearly. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up the first one. Okay, yeah, this is definitely basic, and you guys can probably see it from the front and the back. Basic standing forward pose. They have it numbered. They have the category that it's under. And I like the dimensions. It's not too big and it's not too small. And I also like that it's double-sided. Cool. So let's see if I can pick another one. I also like the different types of variation that they have. It's good that they included plus size and maternity. Now, I don't know if they have a men's version. I know that this product probably just came out within the last 6 months, maybe the last year. So they might be coming out with a men's version very soon. So let's look at, I'm going to look at Glamour, and I'm going to kind of try to pick it in the middle. It's kind of hard to pick these up a little bit. Got to jam your finger in there a little bit. But let's see if I can get one out. Give me a second. Come on. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, you better pose, girl. This is Glamour. So they have it number 43. Front and back, per usual. But I want to see if they have some more with like some kind of like 3/4 angle. Something that isn't so straightforward. Why did I take it out like that? I should have. Okay, cool. I can find the number again. Okay, yeah. So, maybe if we look in the user guide, we can kind of see if they have some more poses. Like, yeah, like where are the poses like this? Like, see how she's not looking forward? She's kind of in a 3/4 angle. That's what I'm looking for. So let's see. Oh, okay. So here's a good one that's 3/4 and she's sitting. Lounging. So this is really easy to find because they have it categorized under lounging and they have the number. So I can just go to the lounging tab. Is this where you at? Oh, okay. And then I just need to find the number, which is probably right behind this one. These are hard to pick up. I don't like that. Yeah, this is the one I was looking for. Yep, it's the exact one. So see how she's not looking forward and she's kind of turned to the side a little bit. I like stuff like this because it helps you when you're practicing with tracing. It helps you learn how to do those different angles and things like that. So that's cute. Let's check out some of the plus size ones. I want to see some of those. Now I will say I'm not really liking this packaging too much. The cards are very like sturdy. You can hear what kind of material it is, kind of like that card stock a little bit, but a little bit thinner. They are matte, but I just wish that they were a little bit easier to pick up in this thing. And also, like, once they start to lift up, they kind of get in the way of these tabs. Oh, okay, hold on. So I just realized on the back of the tabs with the names, they're like, it tells you the numbers. So each of the poses are numbered starting from basic, which is number 1, all the way to technical, which is the last technical pose is 100 because it is 100 poses. And on the back here it gives you the numbers of, you know, which I guess if you want anywhere between 87 and 89, you can just look on the back of here instead of having to look in between. So I want to see a plus size one, so let me find the plus size in here. Okay. Oh, they have some great basic ones. Now, sis, you said you had plus size, but I don't see them. Oh, here she go. Okay. So, it only has 4 plus size ones. I kind of wish they had a little bit more because you could do a little bit more plus size poses. It's only 4, but okay. So let's find this one. And I don't like how I have to kind of struggle to get these out. Y'all gotta do a little bit better with that. Maybe put something, I guess, on the side. I don't know, because they are very thin. Okay, got it. See how like she loves sticking up, and I gotta kind of like, I don't want to mess it up because it's so new. Okay, so here's a plus size one. Nice cute little pose. Her head is tilted 3/4 angle instead of forward, front, back, the same. And let me give y'all a close up because I just now realized that it might be a little bit too far back. Oop. So before I start getting into like trying these out, I want to look at one more type of pose, which is the technical, because usually when you do technical flats, they're usually done digitally. A lot of people use Adobe Illustrator. Now I have found a way of doing it through Procreate, which I find a lot easier because you're kind of doing it by hand. You don't really have to fight with Illustrator and meshing it together and grouping, you know, the lines or whatever like that, using the pen tool so much. I'm not a fan of Illustrator. I wish that the industry would stop pushing it so much that you have to know how to do this. No, there are so many other ways to be able to do technical flats, all kinds of stuff, y'all. You don't have to use Adobe for everything, trust me. I'll try to do a video on doing a tutorial of doing a technical flat using Procreate in the future, because it's definitely possible. But yeah, I think that's a little bit different that they added technical templates into this, because this is, I mean, it's mainly for use for physical traditional sketches. So I mean, you can always do technical, you know, sketches by hand, but they prefer for it to be done electronically because it's a little bit more neat. But I'm just gonna pick up a random one just to see what it's like. I cannot grip this thing, man. I don't like that. I really want to like this. Ooh, I got the booty. Okay. So technical flat. So you see how it's not the full body, it's just whichever body part the product is. So obviously this would probably be some jeans or some leggings. You know, this is probably best for athletic wear, and I think they actually have athletic poses in here. Let me look. Yes. Okay, cool. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to pick a pose, and I'm going to, you know, see what I can do with it. Now, my main choice of sketching is digitally. Like I said, I use Procreate on my iPad, and I don't think it should be too hard to use it, but we shall see. So let's see what I can come up with. Okay, y'all, so here I am on my iPad. Now what I just did is I took a photo of the template on my tablet. So I just opened up a new document in Procreate. I am about to go to this little tool right here, add, insert a photo, and then we're gonna add. Okay, so here's the photo right here. Now what I would like to do is, I think I might keep it this size. You can always resize it if you want, but I think I'm gonna kind of angle her like this a little bit. I think like that. And I am going to do that next. I'm going to go to opacity. I'm going to bring the opacity down, and I'm going to open up a new layer, and I'm basically going to trace over top of this. So I'm going to trace the figure, and then I'm going to finish my sketch, and let's see what I can come up with. Alright y'all, so there is the final illustration. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I tried to do something that was very likable, kind of relatable, throwback, fan art type of thing. So my overall thoughts on this product. I like it. Actually, I think I kind of like it a little bit more than I thought I would. When it first came out, I didn't really see myself having any really big use for it because I mainly do digital illustrations. But after pondering on how I could use it and actually using it now, I see that this is going to be definitely very helpful to me. I'm going to be able to get out sketches way quicker. And it's great for practice too. I can definitely see myself just practicing my figures with this, whether I'm tracing it or using some kind of photographic memory. You know, you never know. I would definitely recommend it to beginners and professionals. We all can use the practice, especially if you guys are beginners. This is great if you don't know how to draw fashion figures yet. Great practice on angles, dimensions, different poses, sitting, standing, that type of thing. And also it helps to practice getting the mood and the attitude across in the body language. That's really big when you are doing fashion designs and you want to get across a specific mood for the style that you're designing. So yeah, I just have one con about it though. I don't like how hard it is to kind of get the actual card out. You know, you kind of have to like, I don't know, you kind of gotta like move it and jam your fingers in there, and it's not a lot of space because it's only 100 cards. I don't know, maybe if it was laminated it would make it a little bit easier to take out and put back, because sometimes it'd be left sticking out like that and you kind of have to like be gentle with it, put it back, and I don't want to mess it up. It's all nice and neat and cute and organized and stuff. I do like that. I love the organization. Oh, this right here, yeah, y'all know what y'all was doing with this, and I like how you can just put it back. I just now realized that because I don't want to lose it. But this guy definitely made it easier for me to find which pose I was looking for, because to be honest, I didn't even know what pose I wanted for this look. Looking at the full overview of everything that it includes, it made it a lot easier to figure out what I wanted and find it. So great on the organization and the packaging, not so good on actually taking the product out, but I mean, I guess that's something you kind of got to get used to unless they update it. You never know. So if you guys are interested in picking this product up, I will leave the links down below of where you can find it. If you do pick it up, let me know. Let me know what pose you use. Let me see your illustrations. I'm always interested in that. And I think that's all I have to say about this. Alright y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below for more. Follow me on Instagram. You can follow my illustration page. You can check out my portfolio on my website and more info about me. And with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye.